Hello darlings, for today's video I'm creating a mermaid inspired look for Halloween. I've already popped in some Pinky Paradise Eurasia Aqua Blue lenses, and now I'm filling in my brows using some blue liquid lipstick from Measurable Difference. Once I have my desired shape, I'm cleaning up my brows using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair, and I'm also dragging this onto my eyelids to act as my eyeshadow primer. Before applying the mermaid details, I'm applying some quick base makeup using the Innisfree Aquafit cushion in C11 as well as the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair. I'm also setting my face with the Althea Korea Petal Velvet Powder and applying some Buxom Hot Escapes bronzer in the shade Maldives, as well as the Sigma Aura blush in Nymphaea. I'm then highlighting using the shade Fairy Dust from the Profusion Strobe and Glow palette, and now it's time to get to the fun part of the look. I'm placing a wig cap over my face and then applying the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk to the areas in which I'd like to have scales. I'm now applying some eyeshadow over the white using my finger. I'm first applying the shimmery bluish purple shade from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette to the lower half of the white, and then I'm applying the shimmery teal shade from the same palette to the upper half of the white. I'm now going into the Urban Decay Elements eyeshadow palette and applying the shade Luna above all of these scales that we've created, and then I'm carefully removing the wig cap and starting on my eyes. I'm first applying the same bluish purple shade from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette to my crease, and then I'm going into the Morphe 35C palette and applying this dark blue shade to my crease. I'm now applying the matte teal shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette above my crease to blend out the darker shades, and then I'm taking a clean fluffy blending brush and blending out the top of all of the eyeshadow. I'm then cutting my crease using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and winging out the cut towards my temple. now quickly taking a bit more of the dark blue shade and applying this right above the concealer to define the cut in the crease some more. I'm now creating a double cut crease with the negative space and first applying the dark blue shade to the inner and outer corners of the eye. I'm applying this without going all the way up to the cut in the crease because I want some negative space to show through. I'm then applying the matte teal shade closer to the center of the lid, and then I'm applying the shimmery teal shade in the center. Now I'm just cleaning up the edge of the wing with some concealer, and then I'm defining the negative space with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. For my lower lash line, I'm applying a lighter blue shade from the 35C palette to the inner and outer corners of my eye and dragging this downwards towards my cheek. I'm then dragging some of the NYX pencil along the center of where I applied the blue and then highlighting this area in my inner corner using the shade Luna from the Urban Decay Elements eyeshadow palette. I'm topping off the center of my eye with the NYX glitter primer and a teal shade of glitter from the Glitter Realm Majestic palette, and then I'm popping on some Dita Mora faux mink lashes in the style In1. I'm now applying some Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil to my upper waterline and the Buxom Blackest Black mascara. I'm then applying the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to the center of my lower lashes and along my lower waterline. Now moving on to lips, I'm first starting off by covering them in the shade Luna from the Urban Decay Elements eyeshadow palette, and then I'm applying the same liquid lipstick by Measurable Difference that I used on my brows to the center of my lips and blending this out with my finger. I'm also applying the Urban Decay High Flash Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Candy Flip and topping off the center of my lips with some of the glitter from the Glitter Realm Majestic palette. I'm now adding some sequins to the inner part of my eye, and then I'm pinning up my hair and carefully putting it into a wig cap. Once I've popped on and adjusted my wig, I'm applying some concealer to the part in the hair and then setting that with some powder as well. Now for the finishing touch, I'm applying some rhinestone jewel tattoos on top of my brow, and that completes this mermaid inspired look. Let me know what you're going to be for Halloween in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!